Hello everyone, in this video we solve this Japanese math Olympiad question. This question 9 over 4 and whole to the power 9 over 4 is equal to x square root 6, and what is the value of x in this math Olympiad question. So how to solve this question? So here is 9, so it will be 3 square, and here is 4, it will be 2 to the power 2 bracket, and whole to the power 9 over 4 is equal to x square root 6. Then this equation becomes, I can say easily it will be 3 over 2 and whole to the power these 2 according to exponential rules, and whole to the power, look, 9 over 4, it will be 2 plus 1 over 4. 2 plus 1 over 4, it will be 9 over 4 is equal to x square root 6. Then in this case I can say easily it will be 3 over 2 and whole to the power, look, I can say according to exponential rules, this time this it will be 4 plus this time this, 4 divided 2 it will be 2, so it will be half is equal to x square root 6. Then this equation becomes, I can see easily according to exponential rules, again here is 3 over 2 and whole to the power 4 times 3 over 2 and whole to the power this half is equal to x square root 6. Then I can say easily 3 power 4 it will be 81 and 2 to the power 4 it will be 16 times, and it will be square root 3 over 2 is equal to x square root 6. Then this equation becomes, look, I can see easily here is 81 divide 16 times, look, square root 6, and here is square root 4. I multiply this 3 by 2 and again this 2, so I can see it will be 6 over 4. Here is 3, so this times 2, this times 2, and if I cancel this to this 2, again we are find out this previous line is equal to x square root 6. Then in this case I can say here is this square root 6, this cancel, and here is we are find out 81 over square root 4, it will be 2 times 16, it will be 32 is equal to x. So this is our final answer. This is the value of x. X is equal to 81 over 32.